Hello YouTubers, today I will be telling you how you can download Windows 11. So to download the Windows 11 we will be downloading from official Microsoft website. So just type in the search bar Windows 11 download and press enter. So go to the first link and there are two things to download. The first thing, it tells you that it will check your PC whether it is upgradable or no, but we need to create the ISO file, so we will go and create Windows 11 installation media and download now. Okay, so now the file has been downloaded. We will open the file and so now it has been opened. Now we will press accept and it will check the few things. So basically Windows 11 setup support BIOS mode, UEFI mode. So to upgrade or download the ISO file or install the Windows 11 in either of the PC or laptop, you should know that the BIOS mode UEFI is supported for Windows 11. So we will uncheck user recommended option for this PC and we can either make it for United Kingdom, any language, and addition will be Windows 11. So current version of Windows 11 is 22H2. We'll press next. Now it is giving us the option to burn the ISO file on either USB or create an ISO file. So I have to create an ISO file. I will press next and I will save it in the desktop. And click save. So it will take around 20 minutes depending on your internet and will be downloaded as an ISO file. So to burn this file you have to go to the website Rufus and you have to download this software. So we will download this software from we will download this and the link I will be giving in the description. So now it has been downloaded. We will open it and it will show you the USB which is available to burn the ISO, and it will take some time to burn it to the USB. So now it has been opened and when you will insert the USB it will show it here, and boot selection, it should be this ISO image and you will select the file as it is being downloaded currently. And so as I told you before, it supports UEFI mode, and after selecting the ISO you will have to press a start button and it will take 5 to 10 minutes to burn the ISO, and it will be ready to install Windows 11 in either PC or laptop. So still it will take time, 20 to 30 minutes. So after it has been downloaded we will try this. So now it has been finished downloading, and now we will check how to burn the USB with Windows 11. So as you can see, we are having the Windows 11 latest ISO file and it is around 4.5 GB. So we will open this Rufus application, and so as it has detected my USB, and I will select the ISO file as I have saved it in the desktop, and this is my ISO file. I will open, and as you can see, it is a UEFI target system, and we will press start. So it will prompt you that if there is any data available in the USB, it will get deleted. So you have to save and have a backup of that data. So I will be pausing the video in order to make it fast. So now it has been burned successfully, and if you could see the USB, there is a setup file for Windows 11. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe.